Hello, this is Sam with Kanen Coffee Espresso Machines, and today we're testing this Jura Impressa Z6 espresso machine. In the last test number 1, we saw that the milk sputters a lot at the beginning and then goes into a steady stream of milk froth. So in this test, I turned this dial all the way to the right and then also maintained the frothing length at 25 seconds and the shot size of espresso at 2 ounces. And let's go ahead and see how it works. So here we immediately get a nice strong stream of milk being frothed. You can see we get a good amount of foam here too. So thank you for watching with Kanen Coffee. Please like our videos below. If you'd like to see more videos like this, please subscribe to our channel. Thank you.